Hello, let's explore the Configurable JIT Access Policies feature introduced in version 25.Chicago release. Let's understand the business need. Some administrators have strict policies against creating accounts on the fly. They instead use persistent shared privileged accounts. Now, let's look at the enhancement. PAM administrators can now fully control just-in-time account requests for end users, ensuring compliance with organizational security policies while simplifying environment configuration through a policy framework. Within global configurations under PAM, the Enable JIT Account Requests option is enabled by default, allowing users to request on-demand just-in-time access during privileged sessions. Administrators can disable this policy to remove JIT access options for end users. This feature ensures that users can make JIT requests only when permitted by the global JIT policy. When the global configuration is enabled, users will see the temporary privileged account option on the Connect to Session page while raising privileged access requests for servers and databases. And when disabled, only the shared accounts will be visible without the temporary privileged account. Now, let's look at the demo for the Configurable JIT Access Policies feature introduced in version 25.Chicago release. This enhancement gives administrators complete control over JIT access for end users, helping organizations stay compliant while simplifying configuration through a policy-based framework. Previously, when this policy did not exist, administrators had to control JIT access requests through approval workflows as a workaround, for example, by defining workflows that automatically rejected such requests. However, now with the new configuration option, administrators can control JIT access directly through policy settings. Let's now understand the configuration for it. Let's navigate from Admin to Global Configuration. Select the PAM page. Now, under the PAM section, we have the privileged sessions. Within that, we have Credential Preferences configuration, where you will find a new option called Enable JIT Account Requests. When enabled, it allows JIT access for all end users, and when disabled, it removes the option for users to request just-in-time access. By default, this option is enabled, allowing end users to make JIT access requests. Let's understand how it works when it is enabled. Let's navigate from the home page to Privileged Access, then select Assets and Sessions. When a user requests access to a Unix target, for example, this server, and then clicks Connect to Session, the temporary privileged account option will appear. This is because the Enable JIT Account Requests option is enabled in the global configuration. Now, let's go ahead and disable that option. If administrators do not want end users to make JIT access requests, they can then disable this option within the global configuration. Let's now disable it. After disabling the policy, when the user requests access to the same Unix target, you may observe that the temporary privileged account option will no longer appear. Users will now be able to see only the shared accounts available for request, which are defined by the account visibility policies. This is how the Configurable JIT Access Policies feature gives administrators full control, allowing them to easily enable or disable temporary JIT account access for users based on organizational security and compliance needs. Thank you for watching.